everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. So today we are making something totally awesome, totally fantastic. I know I always say that, so I'm not even going to say it again until the next video. We are making ginger beer glazed salmon with spaghetti squash. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the spaghetti squash because that is going to take the longest. So I have already cut it, as you can see. Now what you want to do is take out all of that wonderful stuff. Do not get rid of it because you might want to use it for later. Use the seeds, roast them, salt them up, make them taste real nice and fancy and really good. That's what you will want to do. Just make sure you've got at least the majority of it out. Same thing with the other side. Now, I've already got the oven going. It is at 375 degrees. And we're gonna put these in there for about 35 to 45 minutes, depending on the size. This small size will probably take about 35 minutes. Now, you don't have to cut it this way. I have already, that was cute. You don't have to cut it this way. I've already cut another one lengthwise, but this is also another option. So, before we put them in the oven, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to both of them, a little salt and a little pepper. Now, all you're gonna do, put them on your baking sheet, and then we're gonna add them to the oven. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, like I said, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with it when they come out. We have another one. Like I said, this is the one that I did. I cut this way instead of going along this way. This was in the oven for about 35 minutes. So I'm just gonna take a fork. This is so easy. And you're just going to pull. Boom, there is your spaghetti squash. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Look at that. So easy. Scoop it out. There's your squash. We're gonna get started on the glaze for the salmon. Let's get started. Right, so now we're gonna move on to the glaze like I said. Got my ginger beer here. Hashtag not sponsored. But you could. So I'm gonna open up. That's nice. Yeah. So don't spill the ginger beer when that happens. Okay, when you open it up. We'll edit that. No, we won't. And just gonna add a little bit. So this is gonna take about, say about 10 minutes. And what you're looking for is for the ginger beer to thicken up a little bit. It's about 10 to 15 minutes on high. So we're gonna let that sit, let it do its thing, and then we'll add the salmon to that. All right, so now that this has gone down, it's been reduced, as you can see. I'm just gonna add very lightly a little bit of salt to each of my salmon pieces, fillets, just a little bit. On both sides. And then I'm gonna add them to the pan. Now they're not very big, so of course they'll cook quickly. is to it. Trust me, it's a little lengthier than what we normally do on the channel, but that's okay. The time you put into this is worth it. Speaking of worth it, it would be worth your while and mine if you would hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. This smells so good. I cannot wait to tuck into this. So before I do that, you go make yours, and I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.